BC. Calculus A is a junior level course for us. Students take it in the second semester of the junior year, and the course covers differential calculus, which is the study of derivatives. Calc BC then is taken as a subsequent course in the senior year that covers integral calculus, as well as different topics on differential equations, logistic growth, series and sequences, and polar parametric equations. While all academic, what I would say is that calculus is an application of the mathematics that the students have learned prior to this. So it requires a heavy interest and excitement about learning and doing mathematics, as well as a certain set of skills beforehand to come into it and be successful. Students should have experienced success in algebra and geometry, and a willingness to explore problems in different ways. I would say that the two areas that are most crucial in Calc BC is a willingness to be vulnerable. Vulnerability can look like a willingness to ask for help from peers, to ask for help from a teacher, to seek solutions in different ways, to know how to self-assess when doing assignments and completing problem sets, and to be able to look at a problem and try to pull from a myriad of tools that the student has learned, try things, fail, try things again, fail again, and every time learning from that failure and coming closer. If the student is expecting to get the right answer the first time every time, that's not a great way for students to fit into the course in a way that's going to be solving problems that the student has never seen before. And that's what the AP exam really is all about. It tries to get students to see problems in a unique way. While some skills and things that come up in the AP exam are repeats of what they've done, certainly the FRQs, or the free response questions, of which there are 6, try to walk through a different style and a different type of question every time that they do it. They pull on numerous skills, and they're never quite the same every time. There are 6 FRQs on an AP exam for students. The first one, the first set, there are 2 calculator questions, about 15 minutes apiece. And then there are 4 non-calculator questions, about 15 minutes apiece for 60 minutes. So that's 90 minutes of FRQs. And then there are 2 multiple choice sections. The calculator section is 50 minutes, and the non-calculator section is 55. From the BC exam, a select set of those problems will also be AB problems, and the student will receive 2 scores, a BC score and an AB subscore. You do not take a separate AB exam. You just take a BC exam and you get 2 scores for that. So the expectations of the course in terms of workload, students should be very comfortable with daily assignments. Daily assignments come from our textbook or from worksheets that we've crafted and created, but the assignments themselves are lengthy in that they take time to deeply think about a problem. And in that depth of thought, students, again, should be able to look at a problem set, look at an answer key, try to assess where they are. I'm trying to find an example chapter here, apologies. And but in that self-assessment, see what they still need to do or what gaps there still are. So it works really well for the student that is consistent and gets in a rhythm and a routine and builds this into their life and into the time that they have. Where we fall into trouble is that this occurs in the senior year, where there are a lot of other influences on the student and demands on the student's time. So this needs to be a priority for it to really matter. And for students that have made math classes a priority, it's a really great fit. Other than that, I would say that the course, a 4 or 5 on the BC exam, will get a student out of a first-year college level calculus course, which means that they don't need to take that at all or can proceed on to the next levels of mathematics after that. If there are any further questions, please feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching.